Hello kids. So looking at your responses for CFU, I saw that most of you were confused in this question. So today we are going to discuss this question. The question is class 5 students want to go for a picnic. Okay, the teacher said they can plan for a picnic to a hill station in India which satisfies the following condition. Okay, so it's a hill station in India. Okay, so this is our first condition. The altitude of that place should be more than 2000 meters above sea level. This is one more condition that we can search for. The place is situated in the North Indian state of Himachal Pradesh. Okay, so we can search for hill station in Himachal Pradesh now so that our search is reduced. Search area is reduced. Yeah. Now the river next to the hill station is a four-letter word starting with B. This is one more clue. The second, third, and fourth letters form a word which is the masculine gender of the word her. So that means her is a feminine word, its masculine gender is him, right? So the second, third, and fourth letter, okay, is him, H-I-M. The letters HLISAM are an anagram of this place. Anagram means jumbled up word. So if we put these letters HLISAM in a correct order, we'll get the name of that place. Now let's look at the questions. If you don't know the name of the place, what are the keywords that can be used to search for information about this place? Now this is something that we have learned in tips for searching the web. Yeah, tips to search the web. So the first thing that was given to us was it's a hill station in India. So we can search for places to visit in India, right? But the next condition was the place is situated in the North Indian state of Himachal Pradesh. So if we search for places to visit in India, we'll get all the hill station that we can visit in India, right? So let's search the places to visit in Himachal Pradesh. So we get very less amount of names for this. Now next question is where are they going? Yeah, is it Shimla, is it Manali, or is it Kashmir? Now if we look at the second, third, and fourth letter, yeah, we got that the second, third, and fourth letter is a masculine gender of the word her, that is him, that is HIM. So we need to check these from these options in which option we get HIM as the second, third, and fourth letter. So first one that is given to us is Shimla. Okay. So in Shimla, the first word is S, but the second, third, and fourth is HIM, that is him. Now let's look at the other options also, because other options can also have second, third, and fourth letter as him. We cannot overrule that, right? So let's check the next option, that is Manali. Okay, so the second, third, and fourth letter is ANA, that is not him. So we rule out this option. Next one is Kashmir. Now first clue is Kashmir is not there in Himachal Pradesh. It's in Jammu and Kashmir, right? So we can rule out this Kashmir again. Yeah, but uh, to to confirm our guess, we'll check the second, third, and fourth letter. That is ASH. That is not him, right? So our correct option is Shimla. Okay, Shimla is in Himachal Pradesh also, and its second, third, and fourth letter is also HIM. Now, what is the name of the river which starts with letter B? So we have been given options as Bias, Baspa, and Baga. Right now, let's look at this one. The river next to hill station is a four-lettered word starting with B. So the first very tricky question is it's a four-lettered word. Yeah. Now, if you look at these options given to us, Bias is only the word which has four letters. Other two options have five letters. So we can select this one. Just to confirm, we can open a Google search engine and we can search for Bias River. Okay. Okay, or we can also search for river flows along the path from Shimla to Manali.